30 times, 440.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Nancy's living her great best life.
Come on in, guys.
No.
Right up to the front.
Let's try for the boat this time. Please watch your head and watch your step and use those handrails as you're coming on board. Actually, don't come on board. Come on excited. All right, come all the way forward, past the bowling alley, past the casino, and away we go. Everybody wave goodbye to all the beautiful people we left on the dock. Now wave goodbye to all the others. Amy love too. Welcome aboard the Jungle Cruise. For your safety, please remain seated at all times. Keep your hands on seated legs inside the boat. And parents, please supervise your children. If at any time during our trip you happen to lose something over the side, just raise your hand to get my attention, and then I'll raise my hand, and then we'll both wave goodbye to whatever you lost together. I'll be your skipper for the next 14 days and 3 romantic nights. My name is Skipper Steven. I spell it with a V. If you happen to spell Steven with a PH, well, you're wrong. Okay, over here on the right side of the boat, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. And beyond that are temples A through H, and then temple that's below. Coming up over here on the left side of the boat, as we come through this ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian shriners, we have our Chinese Bengal tiger. Now the Bengal tiger can grow up to be 500 pounds and jump 30 feet. But don't worry, we're a lot closer than that, so he'll just jump right over. Next we have the 7 most dangerous cobras. Wait, 1, 2. You seem to be missing 4 cobras. Everybody look around your feet for 4 cobras. You don't see anyone? Okay, is that one? No, that's just an ugly spider. All right, get out your cameras. We're now entering into the Majestic Indian Elephant Bathing Pool. Take as many pictures as you like. As you can see, they're all wearing animatronics. Now these are all Indian elephants. How can we tell that these are Indian elephants? We're in India. Somebody's been on the floor. Right over here on the top of the 66 years. Here's a little squirt. Isn't he cute? He's going to try to get you wet. You have nothing to worry about with little squirt. Big squirt, his big brother, is what your problem is. Coming up on the right-hand side. Uh-oh, looks like he's gone down to reload. He's coming up again. Everybody on this side of the boat, you may want to watch out because he's got absolutely nothing. That's a little dry humor there for you. All these people on the right side. You guys see that explosion? That was really dangerous. Let's check it out. Over here on the left side of the boat, we have absolutely nothing. But over here on the right side, we have another gorilla. Now the gorilla can grow up to 500 pounds and jump 30 feet. But well, I'm closer than that, so he'll just jump right over it. This is quite the fall, but we're going to go over that later. Now, Dr. Albert Falls. Over here on the left side of the boat, we have the 2nd most feared animal in the jungle, the African bull elephant. And over here on the right side, the most feared animal in the jungle is Evil Twin. How do we know that these are African elephants? Right. Now the African elephant can grow to be 5 tons and jump. What? Only can't jump. Okay. We have some beautiful animals out on display. Way in the back we have some gazelles. And over here we have some canoes. And behind them some giraffes and 3 zebras. These are much older zebras, and you can tell by the fact they're still in black and white. Oh, here we have a zebra. This is dead tired. Oh, speaking of the VIP support, we see if you know where they are. This is exactly last man looks like a laugh. Hey Felix, what did you do to your boat? Where's your boat? Great, take the crew, where's the boat? Alright, we're now entering into the hippopotamus bathing pool. Now hippos may attack, but only if they wiggle their ears and blow bubbles. So as long as they're not doing exactly that. Alright, so as long as they don't come up that way and make a loud noise. Oh, look! Oh, there it is! Oh, that was really dangerous. They overrun by monkeys. Got every kind of monkey on there, from chimpanzee to chimpanzee. Let's get closer. Hey, look at this, you've never seen this before. Monkeys standing up trying like all Oh, look! More monkeys. Oh, look, it's a net. I have no idea what to call the other monkey. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment that you've all been waiting for, the eighth wonder of the world, you've read about it, you heard about it, you've read about it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me get up. Backside of water! Hey! O2H! 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 Oh, get out of the way, Chuck! I'm coming through! I'm coming through here, Duck. There you go. I'll stop. Go ahead. Oh no, the piranhas! Get out of the way, Duck! One side, not that way. Off center. There you go. Woo! Watch out for the piranhas. Right here we have a Burmese python sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Oh, here we have Sam. Awesome found a gift shop. If you lost it, Sam found it, and he'll sell it back to you for a premium price. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you just survived the Jungle Cruise. Give yourselves a round of applause. Yay! We're waiting our turn. Oh, look, there's ducks on that dock. Duck. They call them ducks. If a goose came down there, it would be duck, goose.
Alright, here we go.
All right, we have a dock on the left and a dock on the right as we come in for our landing. We'll be going through a paradox. Please keep all hands on the legs inside the boat. And please remain seated. Because only a crazy person stands up in the front of a moving boat. Get out. I'm sorry, that was so rude. Please